Welcome to another video. Today we're doing something a little different and we're working on our quiz. So these are for your quiz corrections. Let's hop into number 5. So right here we can already see that when it says 4 centimeters represents 5 kilometers, we want to set that up. So I'm going to put my centimeters on the top and my kilometers on the bottom. Okay? Next I'm going to just set it up, 4 over 5. And what they want is the distance on the map in centimeters, okay? So we know it's going to be at the top, but we have 4 kilometers, which is going to go on the bottom. X is going to be our variable. And now I have 5x equals 16 when I cross multiply. When I divide both sides by 5, I'm then left with x is equal to 16 divided by 5, which gives me my answer of 3.2. And I look at the top, x is in line with centimeters, so it's 3.2 centimeters. All right, let's hop right into number 7. Anytime that says of 1/2, that means times 1/2, okay? So we're going to make this triangle a smaller one. So we're really saying 6 times 1/2 and 9 times 1/2. So an easy way to think of this is just to cut it in half. What's half of 6? 3. What's half of 9? 4.5. So these are the new dimensions to our triangle. You know, Miss Williford, I love to draw a new triangle out just because it helps me with my formula. My base is going to be 4.5 and my height is going to be 3. So now I need to find the new area of the smaller triangle. I plug in my numbers. I have A equals 4.5 times 3, and I divide that whole thing by 2, which is then going to give me 13.5 divided by 2. I'll scoot the paper down in a second. And that's going to give me my area, when I divide 13.5 by 2, of 6.75. And I'm done. C is my answer. All right, number 8. This one is really cool because there's 2 ways to do this problem, okay? So I have a scale factor of 5, just like what we saw on number 7. Anytime you see of, we're going to multiply. So I'm going to break this up, way 1 and way 2. So there we go. Of 5 means times 5. So I just like to write that out. All right, so perimeter is adding all the sides, all right? So when I add my sides, I have P equals 5 plus 3 plus 7 plus another 3. I have P equals 18. Now, I'm drawing back into my times 5, so that's 18 times 5, and I'm going to be left with 90. I'm going to put my unit, centimeters, and I'm done. Now, way 2. Since I have a scale factor of 5, I multiply each side by 5. So that's 5 times 5 gives me 25. 3 times 5, 15. The other side is 15 as well. And 7 times 5, which is going to give me 35. 5, 10, 15, 20. Carry my 2. And 9. All right. 90 centimeters. As you see, I did 2 ways. Got the same answer. So the answer for that one is B, 90 centimeters. All right, let's move on to number 9. I have a scale copy. I'm taking the things that I know. 6 times blank equals 18, or 5 times 15 equals 18. Of course, my answer to those is going to be 3. 6 times 3 gives me 18, and 5 times 3. So I know that I have a scale factor of 3, okay? So now I need to apply this to find the length of x to y. So from R to S, which is the corresponding side, it's 4. So 4 times 3 gives me 12. D is my answer.